शादी थोड़ा साइड हटो, जगह ज्यादा है।
सर ये तो बनता है।
Abhay sir enters the class. After all this is done, the watch goes out because he knows Pathak sir comes 30 minutes late, so he leaves 20 minutes late. But for me, it's 2, so it's 2. I don't have to look at time. I remember the first class that I had with Abhay sir, it was politics. And what happened was literally amazing. He entered the class, the energy that he brought with him was like, good morning boys and girls. This is, good morning everyone to Ajiram. My name is Abhay, and then he wrote his name.
Please mind E.
That is how you define yourself, because the moment you present yourself for the first time, that is how everyone will know who you are and what you command. You command everyone's respect, you command everyone's love. And to be very honest, we are very privileged to have both of you as the teachers. Thank you so much.
I have something, I have written something for both of you. It is a combined journey of yours as well as ours with us. So I have written something, I hope you like it. So, a journey of 150 aspirants started in a bitterly cold month of December with Gigi. Gigi, great Guruji. Who took us for a smooth journey of a subject called psychology.
गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले से हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियां नसीब से, जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से, फिर आपके नसीब में ये बात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले से। अभी ना जाओ छोड़ कर के दिल अभी भरा नहीं, अभी ना जाओ छोड़ कर के दिल अभी भरा नहीं, बुरा ना मानो बात का ये प्यार है गिरा नहीं, अभी ना जाओ छोड़ कर के दिल अभी भरा नहीं।
आपके लिए भी उन्होंने कुछ लिखा है ऐसा कि पूरी लाइफ याद रहेगा सर। उन कुर्सियों पर फिर से कोई बैठेगा और फिर से कोई हंसेगा सर। बात आपके और हमारे बीच की है। बोल के आप हंसेंगे सर, खुद को रोक ना सकेगा फिर से कोई आप करेगा सर। रिकॉर्डिंग सुनेंगे जितनी बार वो पल याद करेंगे सर। जब पहली बार आपने हंसते हंसते बोर्ड पे कलम चलाई थी, उस पल की कसम किसी टीचर से हमने वैसी हंसी ना पाई थी। इतनी सी है कि बस उम्मीद बनी रहे, चाहत इतनी है कि बस जोर जुड़ी रहे। किस्मत ले जाए हम सबको जहां, मेहनत रंग लाए हमारी बस हर जगह। तकलीफ बस इतनी सी है जो 2 घंटे मुस्कुराहट के छट जाएंगे। कब तक हम थे, कब फिर से हम तुम हो जाएंगे। दुआ है हम सबकी तरफ से, आपकी खुशी और हंसी यूं ही खिलखिलाती रहे और सबको रोशन करती रहे। थैंक यू सर, यू विल ऑलवेज बी रिमेंबर्ड एंड मिस्ड।
Dear Ramesh sir, every time we think what would we lead to this world, it gives us jitters. Probably all of us at some point of time in life, but nothing we could think like that about a teacher. A teacher brings an avalanche of knowledge and leaves with some sense to his students that is called legacy. Coming across with such teachers is rare, and so it's like a chain reaction. And a teacher is it's like a starting neutron. And what we students, wherever we would head now, and whatever we do,
their message, their wisdom was coming and going. And जैसे खत्म हुआ पता ही नहीं चला कि हम तैरना कब सीख गए। ठीक है, अब ये मुकाम आ गया कि now we will sail our own ships, ठीक है, and will face blows of the nature and will fail. तब I feel that what preciously they have given us is the weapons, not weapons, the life saving tools. Like ये उठा लो, get up from that defeat, and again move on. So if anyone from now on will go and sail their own path.
As long as you are moving, you are alive, and our journey can be very successful if we continue to be original in our thoughts, in our actions, and in our behavior. So try to look for that originality. It is inside, and it will definitely manifest itself in one form or the other if you are confident about what you have.
words कि अब
जा रहे हो तो जाओ, ये लो. This is my last thing for you. And it's very simple. It's a long verse. I just remember 2 sentences of it. It says, Satyam vada dharmam chara swadhyaya ma pramatah. Satyam vada. Speak the truth. Dharmam chara. Act on the path of righteousness. Do the right thing. Don't hesitate from taking a risk. Do the right thing. And swadhyaya ma pramadah. Don't be lenient in self-study. And I think this summarizes the message which any teacher would like to give their students, especially at this stage of your preparation, when you're just in another month or so, you'll be having prelims, then mains and interview. And it's kind of a new beginning for you in your preparation. So I hope the classes have been good and you learned something and you can correlate it with the exam. And when you do the regression analysis, you can actually find a good fit. If you remember.
One last final doubt.
Doubt?
And I think this question would be lingering in the minds of all those who have taken psychology as well as general studies from Ajira. And on behalf of them, I would like to ask, since you cleared from where this energy comes, so one more doubt is, how do you manage completely 2 different people in psychology and political science? You were amazing.
Yeah, so actually I thought I'll discuss this also. Because I'm sure a lot of you did not know that I also have a psychology side. And until I started teaching, even I did not know that even I can also try to teach. The first time I taught, honestly. So I know it was not perhaps the best.
You're being modest,
right? No, not modest. I know myself. I know my polity and I know my psychology. So I just compare both. So it's just, I think that, see, I'll tell you, when I gave the exam, I used to have 2 options. So I had public administration and psychology, but let me tell you honestly, not because sir is here, I chose psychology first. And then उसका topper जैसे शुभ्रा सक्सेना, तो उनका था PubAd, psychology also, and she got rank 1 that year. And anyway, so I chose psychology because syllabus मैंने पढ़ा मुझे यही है. This is what I really always look for. Even in polity, I must have told you, observation, looking at people, how people. Naturally, the psychology I done that. So it was kind of a natural thing for me since child. So because of that, I think I have the natural love and then teaching.
Brilliant.
Teaching is the second love. Thank you. Thank you all.